Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. So, let's begin the work for today. Today, I will start a new topic work from the chapter Force, Work and Energy. So, students, when we say that I am working, means what? That I am doing something serious like my homework or I am preparing for my test. And I will not tell that I am doing work when I am playing or I am cycling. मतलब एक नॉर्मल पर्सन के लिए काम तभी हम लोग बोलेंगे कर रहे हैं जब हम लोग कुछ सीरियस काम करेंगे। जैसे हो गया होमवर्क कर रहे हैं तो बोलते हैं ना मैं होमवर्क कर रहा हूँ। अगर आप खेलते तो उसको काम नहीं बोलेंगे कि आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो उसको, साइकिलिंग कर रहे हो उसको काम नहीं बोलेंगे। यस और नो? लेकिन इन टर्म ऑफ साइंस, इन साइंस द वर्ड वर्क हैज़ अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग। साइंस में वर्क का मतलब डिफरेंट है। फॉर अ साइंटिस्ट, when you are doing the homework it is not work. अगर आप किसी साइंटिस्ट को बोलते हैं कि आपने होमवर्क किया है, आपने वर्क काम किया है, he will tell no, it is not a work. But when you are playing and cycling, the scientist will call it is a work. So this is the difference. So let us understand work in science. साइंस के टर्म में हम लोग वर्क को कैसे समझेंगे? We will do this only today. So for a scientist, work is done when force is applied on something and it moves. Means in science we will tell work is done when we are using force and we are covering some distance. मतलब हम लोग काम करने के लिए ताकत लगा रहे हैं, फोर्स लगा रहे हैं और थोड़ा डिस्टेंस भी कवर कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा दूरी भी कवर कर रहे हैं, तभी वर्क माना जाएगा। तो जैसे एज आई सेड द एग्जाम्पल दैट व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द होमवर्क, अ साइंटिस्ट विल टेल इट इज़ नॉट वर्क। व्हाई? क्योंकि इसमें हम फोर्स तो लगा रहे हैं लिखने के लिए लेकिन डिस्टेंस कवर नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम एक ही जगह बैठ के होमवर्क कर रहे हैं। सो दिस इज नॉट वर्क। होमवर्क इज नॉट वर्क डन अकॉर्डिंग टू अ साइंटिस्ट बिकॉज वी आर सिटिंग एट वन प्लेस, वी आर नॉट कवरिंग एनी डिस्टेंस. Or for a work, both force has to be applied and distance is to be covered. Yes, so doing a homework is not work in science. But when we are cycling and playing, we are using force for pedaling or cycling. And when we are playing, suppose football or cricket, we are applying force to kick the ball and we are covering a distance also. So in this case, work is being done. So another example we can take when we are reading a book. According to science, is this work done? No, because we are just moving the fingers, but the book is at the same place, we are not covering any distance. But when we are turning the page of a book, we are doing work because पेज क्या हो रहा है, एक पोजीशन से दूसरे पोजीशन मूव कर रहा है, थोड़ा डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है. सो देयर वर्क इज बीइंग डन. All right, so we have to understand that for work two things are necessary. The force which we are using, a force has to be applied and a distance has to be covered, then only work will be done. Now more examples we can understand. Suppose you're carrying two books. Okay, you're carrying two books and keeping it on one table, from one table to another table, and the same two books you're carrying from one class to another class. Where work will be done more? Obviously when we are carrying the book from one class to another class. Why? Because when you are carrying the book and keeping it on the table, distance covered is less. But when you're carrying the book from one class to another, you're covering a more distance, so there more work will be done. See, in your book also one example is given here. You do more work to carry a bag up 2 flights of stairs than 1 flight of stairs. Means you're carrying a school bag. Suppose आपने 2 सीढ़ी क्लाइंब किया और उसी बैग के साथ आपने 4 सीढ़ी क्लाइंब किया, तो वर्क ज़्यादा कहाँ पे होगा? ऑब्वियसली 4 सीढ़ी में, बिकॉज वहाँ पे डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा कवर हो रहा है. यस, देखो यहाँ पे सिमिलरली मोर वर्क you do when you pick up a book from one floor and place it on a shelf, then you place it on the table under this shelf. Means if the distance covered is more work will be done. देखो इसको एग्जाम्पल से समझाया गया है. There is a car, a boy is playing with a car, and this car has moved a distance this much, and in the second picture the car has moved a greater distance. So in which picture more work will be done? Obviously in the second picture, because your distance covered is more. Okay, so I suppose you have understood what is work. Work is done when we apply a force and cover a distance. Okay, move the object to some distance. That means if the distance covered is zero, your work done will be zero. मतलब अगर आप बैठे बैठे एक जगह पे काम करते हैं तो वहाँ पे वर्क हो जाएगा ज़ीरो, क्योंकि आप डिस्टेंस कवर ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो ये एग्जाम्पल से समझिए. सपोज यू आर पुशिंग अ अलमीरा, एक कबर्ड को आप पुश कर रहे हैं जो बहुत हैवी है. ठीक है, उसमें आप फोर्स तो लगा रहे, आप ताकत, बहुत ज़्यादा ताकत लगा रहे, लेकिन कोई काम नहीं करे, बिकॉज उस कबर्ड को आप हिला ही नहीं पा रहे हैं, डिस्टेंस वो कवर ही नहीं कर रहा है. सो देयर वर्क डन इज ज़ीरो. ऑल राइट, आई सपोज यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट इन साइंस कब बोलेंगे वर्क हो रहा है, जब फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, साथ साथ वो ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव करने के लिए डिस्टेंस भी हम लोग कवर कर रहे हैं. ऑल राइट, नाउ and when the distance covered is zero, your work will be zero. Second thing, when we are doing work we need energy. Okay, without energy we cannot do any work. So this energy comes from where? This energy in human beings will come from the food we eat. Food gives you the energy to do work, any work, reading, writing, playing, jumping, doing exercise. We all get the energy from food. But energy we can get from other ways also, like your electric appliances, TV, computer, mixie, washing machine, fridge. They all also need energy. They are getting from the electricity. Then your car, buses, scooter, which is running, how they are running? With the help of petrol or diesel. So they are getting the energy from petrol or diesel. Then your watch which you are wearing, that is getting the energy from the battery. So things which is doing the work, they need the energy, and there are various ways to get energy. So work and energy are interrelated. For doing any work we need energy. So scientist tells that energy is the capacity to do work. How much we are doing is known as the energy. So students, I suppose work and energy is clear to you all. So we have completed this chapter. Thanks students.